Welcome to practice set 2. We have 20 questions to solve here. Okay? So let's get started. The first question is, how many different ways are there to write a string with an example? The next question is, how to access the character of a string using forward indexing with an example? The next question is, how to access the character of a string using reverse indexing with an example? The next question is, how to write a multiline string with an example? The next question is, reverse a string in at least 2 different ways with an example. The next question is, slice learn from the string learned with Mr. RJ using forward indexing. The next question is, slice learn from a string learned with Mr. RJ using reverse indexing. The next question is, slice a string learned using forward and reverse indexing from a string learned with Mr. RJ using string slicing on a single statement. The next question is, delete an entire string using inbuilt Python function. The next question is, change or update part of the string and print the output. The next question is, replace the old string learned with Mr. RJ with the new string learn Python with Mr. RJ and print the output. The next question is, what is skip sequence and why do we use it? The next question is, how to skip the skip sequence in a string with an example. The next question is, format the string by using fstring format method with an example. The next question is, format the string by using format method with an example. The next question is, format decimal number 9 to binary number and print. The next question is, format float number 6.254565892 to exponent and print. The next question is, format the float number 9.25654 into 2 or 3 decimal number and print. The next question is, perform string alignment left, center and right with an example. The next question is, write an f string and pass the arithmetic equation and print their output. If you have any questions or query, प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट. आई विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू. अगर आपको मेरी ट्यूटोरियल पसंद आ रही है तो वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर जरूर करें. इस ट्यूटोरियल में इतना ही. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन, बाय बाय.